Hello, welcome to this video. In a previous video, I 3D printed one of my photos and I enjoyed it and the results were amazing. So I started thinking, what else can I do? How can I use 3D printing with my photography? And I found another way. And in this video, I want to share with you that way and show you the results. So let's jump right in and try it. For this method that we are going to do, we need to choose a photo and convert it into two colors, black and white. Then we are going to print only the black part. For that, we need a photo that has a high contrast, meaning that we can easily separate it into two colors. Like this photo that I have chosen, I like it, and it's so easy to convert this photo because the high contrast in the photo. To convert it, I like to use Adobe Illustrator. You can use any software that you are familiar with. And to do that, we import the image. We click on image trace. We choose black and white. Then we play around with these settings, noise, corners, these. And you have to make sure that it ignores the white color, so we have only the black color by clicking here and choosing white. And then when we are happy with the results, we click expand. Then we clean it up and delete the parts that we don't want. And then we export it as SVG for the next step. The next step is to take this black part that we created, the SVG file, and convert it into a 3D model by giving it some thickness. To do that, I like to use Blender, but you can use any software that you are familiar with. So I import the SVG file, delete any unwanted curves that show up, and then I give it a solidify modifier that will give it some thickness. Clean up if anything shows up, and then export it as an STL file for printing. But for my case, I know that I'm gonna print it and put it on the wall here behind me. And for that, I know that the printer doesn't fit the size for that wall. So I'm gonna divide the part into pieces and print them one by one and then assemble them later. So I'm gonna do that now. And that's it. Now everything is ready for printing. We open up the Slicer app and then we put the 3D models and prepare them, slice, and save for printing. And that's it. Let's go print. Now everything has done printing. I'm gonna assemble them and put them on the wall. Hello. Thank you.